Hello, third graders. Today is Monday, April 6th, 2020. So this is your homeroom video for today. This week will be different. If you are in my literacy, you are going to have a separate video that you need to watch to figure out what you need to do for literacy. So that's different from last week. Last week they were the same video. This week they are different, okay? I'm going to go through all of the things on our homeroom page. I've changed some things, so make sure you watch the entire video so you know the changes and you know what to do for today, okay? The first thing I want to do is show you our Spring Break Challenge winners. They were Monty, Mason, and Miguel, so congratulations to them. If you've noticed in the classwork section, I have organized it. So we now have a spot where all of your attendance questions will go, and then I will have your math work. And I'm always going to put the date just so you know when these things are. And they also have due dates, so they tell you when they're due. On my screen right now, they're saying they're due tomorrow, but that's because I'm doing it on Sunday. So they'll be due for you tomorrow. Okay, so the first thing you need to do for your to-do list is answer the attendance question. So if you go to Classwork, you hit on today's question, and then you click on this form, and the question pops up. Okay, says, good morning, what's the news? What have you been up to? So you can type your response here. I have been missing Miss Valdivia, I'm sure. But whatever you would like to write there. And then you need to make sure you hit submit. That's how it goes through for me, okay? So if I go back to our stream, the second thing you need to do is listen to our Pledge of Allegiance and our updates from Miss Noni's. So you click on this, and it has our updates from her. Pretty cool, okay? Then the next thing you'll do is watch this video. So hopefully you're there. I will put the link there as soon as I'm done with it, okay? The next thing after you watch our video, you have some questions you're gonna answer that are similar to the ones that we worked through together in our math video, and I'll show you those in just a minute. Again, if you go to Classwork, they're here under Math, Story Problem Questions, 4/6/2020. You click on it, and it has our questions for you to answer today. So there's 3 questions. They're worth 4 total points. When you finish, you hit submit, okay? So that's for math today. And then your next thing is to complete one Zern lesson. We did really good with that last week. So I want us to make sure that we're still doing that. And then after you finished all of your math, you have PE today. So you click on this link, and this is going to take you to Mr. Estrada's page. And you guys will scroll down to grade 3 through 6, and you have a warm-up activity for you to do. You have a different fitness challenge activity for you, and then you have a third one. So these are really cool things that he's put together for you. You guys will have specials on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you'll have PE on Mondays, you'll have art on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, excuse me, and then you'll have music on Friday, okay? So that's all of the things in your to-do list, and now I'm gonna jump into our math lesson, okay? Isn't that funny, guys? That's so funny. I got to make that. So I thought that was pretty cool for you. Okay, our big idea is multiplying bigger numbers. So our target for today is I can solve 2-step story problems that involve multiplication, addition, and subtraction. And that doesn't mean that the story problem will always have all 3 of these things. It just means that you can solve 2-step story problems that may include those, okay? So today we have our story problem. It says, Zayden bought a sheet of stickers with 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. The stickers cost 9 cents each. How much did Zayden pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Okay. So before we solve it, we need to figure out what is this problem asking you to do. So we have 3 choices. How many stickers Zayden bought? What kind of stickers Zayden bought? Or how much did Zayden pay for the entire sheet of stickers? Okay, so take a moment and I want you to think. He bought stickers with 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. The stickers cost 9 cents each. How much did Zayden pay for the entire sheet of stickers? I'm going to give you a hint. This question here tells us exactly what we are doing. So if you answered C, you are correct. Okay, now we're going to write an equation for it. So if we think about this story problem, what would it look like if we solved it? Okay, we know 2 rows of 3 stickers on it. and each sticker costs 9 cents. So I know the first thing I need to do is multiply these numbers to figure out how many stickers he has. And then I'll take that number and I know each one costs 9 cents. So I'll multiply it by 9. So that equation would look like this. 2 times 3, that's the first thing, and that's why we're putting parentheses around it. That's the first thing we need to do. And then we're going to take this answer and multiply it by 9. This letter Z is any random number. This just means this is the part we're trying to figure out. You can put any letter you want in there. Okay, I just put Z for Satan. Okay. Now it's time to solve it. So if you see, I kind of made a picture for us here of what this sheet of stickers would look like. We know there are 2 rows of 3, and each one costs 9 cents. So the first thing we need to do is solve 2 times 3, which we know equals 6. Then we do 6 times 9, because we know each of these stickers costs 9 cents, which equals 54. Okay, so we know that this whole thing costs 54 cents. Okay, nice work. I hope you got that one. Now your job is to go into Google Classroom and you're going to solve something very similarly. Okay, so you're going to solve the story problem just like we did. You're going to read it, you're going to figure out what it's asking you to do. You'll pick an equation that matches it, and then you will solve it. So I know this is online, but we still need to show our work. We don't want to just guess because those are worth points, okay? If you have any questions, we know my office hours. We know when you can ask me questions. Just have your parents send me a message on Remind, and I will be happy to answer any questions you have. Good luck today, and have a great day.